So we finally reached after a lot of hassle inside Riding Village. Did you crash your Busa, by the way?
Crash my Busa. Someone crashed into my Busa.
He was just standing. Some stupid guy seeing my bike, he came and hit him. I think the cycle, nothing happened, but I could not capture on GoPro because my camera was on off. But I think nothing major happened. It happens in villages, right? When you have such expensive bikes coming through, so people will definitely see that. So the view is amazing. I will show the room and everything later. But meanwhile, we are eating. So let me finish and then we will catch you up. See you. So guys, it's time for us to do some exploring here, the places. And this is the home for us tonight. There's the house that we are staying, or a resort, what you call. And there's the Busa, there's my 6R. And there's someone who is actually accompanying us today. So here's the little one. I don't know the name. So that's our company today. And that's the view that we are looking. We're not even sure where we are heading, but we'll try to explore. They said that there's some crocodiles around. So let's check. Ready, Tilak? This one is doing. It's taking a diaper and it's just playing. Such an ass. Oi, Baile. Man, trust me, man. First thing, to be a biker, you need to be blessed. Plus, to own expensive bikes and exotic bikes, it is like much more luckier. And the other part is lucky plus traveling to places like this, which has a resort and sort of water here. You need to be blessed. You need to be blessed. Having 100 girlfriends is not the blessing, guys. Trust me. Having things like this, enjoying, see, there is mountains, there is grass, there is water, there is sun, there is pets, and then yeah. So there's everything here. What else you need in your life? Peace at its best. I think this is going to be a good mantra for you guys. You need to be blessed. I think. Hey, Gundo, you're scaring me. See this one. He's just scaring me. See this one. And she's not allowing me to vlog. Tilak is busy in his Insta 360. Look at that one. How is she going? Oh, I might have to be more careful. God, where we made. We have just started exploring, and this thing is insane. And this little one is not able to go. She's just running around. She's not able to come up. I hope she comes, but let's figure out. Oh fuck, look at that girl. She came there. Run. That's running because of the drone sound. Tila katra tomani adratra. Hen madad nodana. Or the next day morning from yesterday's continuation, still in the resort, which is Leo Wooden Resorts, based out of Hampi. So we were exhausted, so we could not ride back, so we thought of staying back here. Try to end the video here. I will see you another vlog, another content, another travel story. Meanwhile, you guys take care, and a lot of videos in the coming year as well. And I'll try to end the video here if possible. I'll try to put some content, but let's see how it goes. Take care. Bye. This is gonna be nice in the evenings. Lot of dry lands. These has to be the waters, man. The dam is absolutely empty. Brakes isn't working. There's a problem of rubber hoses, guys. See, I'm holding the brake, it's not holding. The cause of rubber hoses to the brake lines, the biggest problem is while you ride at really high speeds, because of the usage and because of applying multiple times and because of heat, the rubber hoses expand. See, it's not applying. If you have steel threaded lines, it doesn't disturb, or the brake lines doesn't expand. So because of that, most of the times it is used in the racetrack. Just to save some money, companies like any company for that matter, they'll use rubber because that's more cheaper than the steel threaded lines. So I have to get one aftermarket. I don't know when, but I'll do it very soon. Spate tunnel is here right in front of me, so we just stopped because last time when I came the angle was slightly different for my camera, so this time I want to make sure that I get the right view and open up the exhaust as much as possible. And
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ vehicles clear ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋಣ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So as I said, guys, this is the Hospete tunnel. We are just going back home, so just thought of taking a small view. So it is about 500 meters tunnel. The speciality of this tunnel I don't know, but people call this as Atal Tunnel of Karnataka. It's just beautiful, not so bad as well. It's very decent. So the idea is to make sure that we're not going to hit in high space or high pace. We're going to take it slow. We're going to make sure that we record the entire view of it. So let's go, boys.